Hello, I'm Tanita Bailey with Capital City Construction, and I just want to walk you through a renovation project that we're doing here in DeSoto, Texas. Follow me. All right, so inside, what we did in this house is that we actually painted the entire house, and if you can see it, it's actually like an ice gray. We did the accent wall to the left there, and this kind of got a little gold in it. And then this is the living room, a formal dining room, I'm sorry, in here, where we actually did the accent wall in here, and as well as the flooring. We redid the flooring and kind of made everything match in here. And so let's walk in the now this is a piece of it that I really love is the fireplace. In the fireplace, what we did is and we'll show you the before fireplace, but this is the after. And what we did here is that we retiled the fireplace with beautiful accent colors and made a white vanity or mantle for this fireplace here. And painted it white and then trimmed it out down there. All right, let's take a look at the kitchen. Now in the kitchen, even though we're still in the process of doing the kitchen, the contractor redid the light fixture up here. He actually hand built this light fixture here and made recessed lighting for it. The cabinets, this piece was actually added, and you'll see the before and after, but this piece was added, Hood was added. Customer wanted something a little bit different, so we went in, added the Hood, and then also put crown molding around the cabinets to kind of make it match. As you can see, that's what we did. And we're going to come in here and put subway tile here. I like the pre-design that he's done. Can't wait to see what that's going to look like, all white. And then the coffee bar that we had built, this was not here before, so we totally came in and put a coffee bar with shelves up here and then put the crown molding around the top piece of it. Of course, the countertops were all changed out. And then over here on this side, we're doing the same thing on this side with the crown molding around the top of the cabinets, as well as the subway tile is going to be going around that way. Right, let's look at the bathroom. Now this is probably one of my favorite pieces in here. In this bathroom, there was a tub in here, and we actually came in and took the tub out, and then we rebuilt the shower, frameless glass, retile, new sink, and then made the flooring and shower match, and of course new lighting in that bathroom. Came out wonderful. All right, now let's go to this back. Okay, here we're gonna go. There was actually 3 baths, I guess 3.5 baths in this house that we redid. In this room, we redid the flooring and made the flooring match what's in the shower. And then of course in this half bath here, we changed out the countertops as well as the sink and new gold faucets in there. Okay, now I know it's dark in here, you can't see it. In here, again, there was a tub in here. We took the tub out and put in a brand new shower with the bench in there. And then in here, we actually came in and put a new sink, faucet, as well as new light fixtures in here. All right, and then lastly, let's take a look at the master. This bathroom here, I'm really proud of. You'll see Keisha in a moment, but Keisha actually drew this bathroom and created this open shower concept with the the toilet here, and then did a pocket closet over here. So we basically redid this whole bathroom and made it wider, bigger. Kept some of both of the his and her sink, added new granite sinks in here. Then of course we're gonna have lighting in here. Can't wait till this bathroom is done. And it needs to be painted. So we'll finish this up sometime this week.